In today's video I'm going to show you all the different styles of Ford Falcon FG headliners. So this first board we're looking at here is pretty much what you see on the Ford Falcon G6E model. It has the front center sunglasses console with those map reading lights underneath the sun visor. It's got the rear dome lights, so the rear dual lights. The rest of the board is universal, same on all models. It would have those rear grab handles, those two plugs at the far back, a front passenger grab handle. That's going to be pretty much completely normal across all these boards. But what does change, so we come to this board, this one's just got the single dome light at the back, but it does have the dual map lights, the same as what that G6E had up the front here. So that's got the dual map lights up the front, single dome light in the middle. Third style would be the dual map lights in the middle and the front. So dual map lights at the front there, same unit in the middle, and that will be the third style in the sedan models that you can have. So from here I'll show you the differences between the Ute models. So there's two styles of Ute boards. One has the front sunglasses console, same as that G6E, but it does have also those reading map lights underneath the sun visors. The second board would have just that dual map lights up the front, and the rest of the board is universal. Those rear plugs, grab handles and lights are all going to be the same across all models. From here I'll show you the fabrics now. So when we have a Ford Falcon FG series comes through for a car roof lining repair, there's usually two styles of headlining material that we can select from to match up to the original factory material. So majority of the time we're going to be using our number 6 light oyster flat knit, and that will match up perfectly if your car comes out with that yellowy type of tan appearance. However, if you've got the FGX version, sometimes they come out with a shadow grey, which is that charcoal black, and if that was the case, we would be then using our number 5 anthracite flat knit material. So that's the two options to match up to the original factory material. And if you're looking for the glue for a do-it-yourself project, we also have that available on our eBay page. Anyway, that sums it up, so we'll see you in the next video. Catch ya.